Hello and welcome to St. Timothy Catholic Elementary School. My name is Aricia Huck-Richards and I'm the principal, and this is Dion Pellick, my assistant principal.
Let us take you on a tour as we welcome you to our incredible community school.
When students and families come into the building, our front office staff is the first smiling face that you will be greeted with. Our faith is very important to us. We start every day in prayer as a whole school community. Our morning prayers are written by our students, and they share them with the school on our morning announcements.
Our entire staff provides our students with a rich, faith-based learning environment. When you walk into our school, you will notice that our school's charism is proudly displayed. Since our charism was created by the students and staff, we all take ownership to ensure that everyone is welcomed and included in our school community. We provide programming for children from kindergarten to grade 6. For our families, we offer on-site daycare with before and after school care for our students.
Kindergarten is a magical time of discovery. Through our vibrant learning environments, we prepare students for the years ahead by creating a solid foundation. This includes an environment rich in language, literacy, and mathematics. In our inclusive classroom, we provide safe opportunities for them to help and care for others and have healthy interactions, specifically through play during daily physical education and centers. We explore the curriculum through a wide range of multidisciplinary activities that are fun and engaging. We inspire children to love school and to embrace their individual interests and gifts so that each child discovers the joy of learning.
Welcome to our school library, where students are surrounded by books of all reading levels. We are also very proud to share another focus area in our library where we have displayed various Indigenous books, items, and artwork for all students to read and learn from each other. Faith Friends is a wonderful group who empower our students to give back to our community. Some of their actions include writing a personal prayer and placing it on our prayer board where students and staff can give or take a prayer as needed. Faith Friends involves every student in our school, where they display compassion and kindness through many social justice activities.
Our maker space allows students to learn through STEAM, which stands for science, technology, engineering, arts, and math.
We strive for a healthy balance between our current teaching practices along with technology, as when used simultaneously, it provides the most successful learning for our students. We are blessed at St. Timothy Catholic School to have our students supported for their emotional and spiritual well-being in this warm and friendly space. Our sensory space is a safe haven for students to build and use strategies to manage and cope with stressors and anxiety.
Positive learning experiences and physical education is always part of the fun. Our students get to enjoy a variety of activities that help them build confidence in skills, teamwork, and overall health and well-being. We love to hear the excitement that comes from the gym.
Walking and Talking Wednesdays is one of our favorite days and activities of the week. Our students enjoy the opportunity to be outside to walk and talk with one another and be present in our school community.
You will always find the students excited and eager to take on new art projects. Creativity is valued and appreciated. Through music and art, students are given experiences that encourage them to be artistic and demonstrate their creative sides. Every student gets to shine and learn leadership skills, and we pride ourselves on creating confident, lifelong learners. We want to thank you again for taking the time to explore this beautiful school and see all the opportunities that are offered. We look forward to the registration process and seeing our new families join our school community.